On the sunlit shores of the Caribbean and the tropical coasts of the Americas, there is a tree that looks almost inviting. Its canopy is dense and green. Its fruit resembles a small apple. Its shade offers relief from the burning coastal sun. Travelers walk past it. Children may notice its fallen fruit in the sand. A tourist might rest beneath its branches during a sudden tropical rain. Few realize they are standing beside one of the most chemically dangerous plants on Earth. This is the Manchineel, often called the most dangerous tree in the world. It grows naturally in southern Florida, the Caribbean islands, Central America, northern South America. It thrives in coastal ecosystems, especially in sandy soils near mangroves and beaches. Unlike many dangerous organisms, it does not advertise its threat with sharp thorns or aggressive appearance. Its danger lies in chemistry. The fruit of the Manchineel looks deceptively edible, small, green, and similar to a crabapple. Early Spanish explorers named it Manzanilla de la Muerte, the little apple of death. Historical accounts describe sailors who consumed the fruit and quickly experienced burning in the mouth and throat, swelling of the lips, severe abdominal pain, vomiting and diarrhea, intense dehydration. The reaction can last for hours. In extreme cases, it can become life-threatening without medical care. What makes the fruit so dangerous is not a single poison, but a complex mixture of toxic compounds designed to deter animals from feeding on it. From an evolutionary perspective, the strategy is effective. Once an animal bites it, it learns never to do so again if it survives. The Manchineel's reputation is not folklore alone. It is officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the most dangerous tree in the world. This distinction is based on one critical fact. Every part of the tree is toxic. The fruit, the leaves, the bark, the sap, even the smoke from burning wood. Few plants possess such complete defensive coverage. And yet, despite this, it remains a natural and protected component of coastal ecosystems. Beneath the bark of the Manchineel flows a milky white latex sap. This sap contains highly reactive chemical irritants. Direct contact with the skin can cause painful rashes, severe blistering, chemical burns, eye inflammation. Even standing under the tree during rainfall can be hazardous. Rainwater dissolves traces of sap from the leaves and carries it downward. People have reported skin reactions simply from water dripping off the tree during storms. In tropical climates, where rain showers are sudden and frequent, this defensive system becomes especially effective. The tree does not need to move. It does not need to attack. Contact alone is enough. The Manchineel belongs to the Euphorbiaceae family, a plant family known for potent chemical defenses. Its primary toxic agents include compounds called phorbol esters. These chemicals trigger intense inflammatory responses, disrupt normal cellular signaling, cause tissue irritation and damage. Phorbol esters activate protein kinase pathways inside human cells, leading to inflammation at a molecular level. This is not simply a surface reaction, it is a biochemical cascade. To grazing animals, this makes the tree deeply unattractive. To humans unfamiliar with it, the experience can be alarming and painful. Yet from the tree's perspective, this is simply survival biology refined over millions of years. The danger does not end with touch or taste. Burning Manchineel wood releases toxic fumes. The smoke can cause severe eye irritation, temporary blindness, respiratory distress. Historical records suggest that indigenous Caribbean groups sometimes used extracts from the tree to poison arrow tips, increasing their lethality. Few plants function as a complete chemical defense system in every state, living, cut, or burned. The Manchineel does. When European explorers arrived in the Caribbean, they encountered unfamiliar ecosystems. Without local knowledge, some mistook the Manchineel's fruit for food. Reports describe severe illness following accidental consumption. Livestock tied to the tree sometimes developed blistered skin from contact with the bark. Over time, communities learned to mark the tree with red paint rings or warning signs to prevent accidental exposure. Knowledge became protection. Today, in many Caribbean regions, local guides warn tourists never to touch unknown coastal fruits, especially small green apples on the sand. Given its danger, one might ask, why does it still grow near populated beaches? The answer lies in ecology. The Manchineel plays a critical environmental role. Its deep roots stabilize sandy coastlines. It reduces erosion from waves and storms. It acts as a windbreak during hurricanes. It contributes to coastal biodiversity. Some animals, including certain reptiles and insects, tolerate or even consume parts of the tree without harm. Removing the Manchineel entirely could weaken fragile coastal ecosystems. Nature often balances risk with necessity. Most plants rely on one or two protective traits. Thorns. Bitter taste. Mild toxins. The Manchineel employs an integrated defense system. Toxic fruit to deter feeding. Irritating sap to discourage contact. Harmful smoke to prevent use as firewood. From an evolutionary standpoint, it represents one of the most comprehensive plant defense systems known. It does not dominate its environment by growth or height. It survives by deterrence. The Manchineel teaches a simple but powerful lesson. Nature does not label its dangers clearly. Its fruit looks nourishing. Its leaves shine with health. Its shade offers comfort. But appearance is not safety. In many ways, the Manchineel reflects a broader truth about the natural world: survival does not always look dramatic. Sometimes, it looks ordinary. Toxic plants like the Manchineel are not only objects of caution, they are also subjects of research. By studying compounds such as phorbol esters, scientists gain insight into inflammatory mechanisms, cellular communication pathways, toxicology responses. Understanding how these chemicals affect the human body contributes to broader biomedical research. Even the most dangerous organisms can advance knowledge. The Manchineel is not malicious. It is not aggressive. It is not conscious of harm. It is the product of natural selection. In harsh coastal environments exposed to salt, storms, and grazing animals, survival demands effective protection. Over millions of years, the Manchineel refined its strategy. It stands today as a silent, beautiful, and lethal example of evolutionary design. On tropical beaches where tourists relax and waves gently roll ashore, it waits quietly, not as a predator, but as a reminder. The natural world is complex. It is powerful. And sometimes, the most dangerous things are the ones that look the most harmless.
Subscribe Info Beyond Borders now for more mind-blowing knowledge.